The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the $1 Million Championship.
One-on-one action coming up here, guys, and I'm willing to bet this will be one we won't soon forget.
Totally agree, Michael. When you have two superstars as hungry as these two competing in the ring, you can bet it'll be memorable.
I'm in the army, bitch. Bitches in the army. Sonic boom, kick out or go boom. The slam into the ring is my king. Maniac Cop, guardian of madness. The cop is coming, pure savage madness. Click, click, boom, the siren spin. Maniac Cop rolls in, rolls in.
Get ready, guys. Big-time singles matches coming up here.
And I can assure you these two superstars have been waiting all day to get their hands on each other.
Steel in his eyes, night on patrol. Justice is dead, chaos is goal. He breaks the law, he breaks your skin. Maniac Cop, the nightmare within. Click, click, boom, the siren spin. Click, click, boom, Maniac Cop is here. Click, click, boom, the siren spin. Click, click, boom, Maniac Cop is here. Click, click, boom.
Introducing the challenger from New York, weighing in at 223 pounds, Guile. Introducing the champion from New York, weighing in at 234 pounds, he is the $1 Million Champion, Maniac Cop.
Get ready for some WWE magic. And there's the bell, and here we go. This is the type of battle that you can show someone who's new to our brand of entertainment and say, this is what WWE's all about.
And this is one of those matches where it's hard to believe we get paid for this. Well, actually, it's hard to believe Saxton gets paid for anything.
So much damage inflicted. What impact. Walking around the city earlier today, guys, the only thing anybody was talking about was this title match. Everywhere I went, from the coffee shop to the bookstore, everybody was talking about this match. This might be it. Oh, my.
Byron, I had a similar experience as you this morning. Nearly every person at the gym I went to was talking about this title match, and rightfully so. This is an absolutely huge match.
Okay, wait. Let me get this straight. Byron spent the morning at the bookstore, while you, Cole, went to the gym. Man, that's brilliant. You guys have any other jokes?
Body on body.
Wow. Champ not looking good right now.
Jeez.
At this point, it's all about how he responds.
Oh, what an enziguri right in the ear.
He's in control now.
Look at this incredible power.
The gorilla press.
Wow. Oh, nasty impact.
And the champ kicks out.
It'll take a lot more than that to keep him down.
Incoming.
That'll hinder your modeling career.
That's how you use the ropes to your advantage.
It'll destroy your face.
Oh, damage to the body. The champ is in a bad way here. I think it's safe to say that this might be the beginning of the end for the champ.
That's over at this point.
He's in big trouble here. I don't think I remember ever seeing him this much off his game.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oof.
What a strike. Elbow drop.
Right to the heart.
Uh-oh, he's in trouble here.
This one's over, guys.
Oh, man, I'll tell you, it didn't look...
We have a new champion. Corey, I think that may be the biggest win of that young man's career.
Hard not to agree with you, Cole. It was an incredible victory.
Yeah, I mean, a hard-fought matchup.